Good morning, students. We are studying chapter 4, Physical Education and Sports for Differently Abled. In this chapter, it is very important to understand the meaning of differently abled. Here we had seen how physical education and sports is helpful for differently abled student and with various disabilities, mental retardation. These are few of the examples I had given you. I had explained you the meaning of adaptive or adapted. There are two words but meaning is same. Adapted or adaptive physical education. In this chapter we had gone through aims and objectives of adaptive physical education, and here I had explained you about the meaning of adaptive physical education. What is meaning of adaptive? We are talking about the meaning of adaptive. I had already explained you, but this is a short of a revision. Adaptive means to adapt different situations. This is a common in general words I am saying to you. It may be slightly different in different dictionaries, but adaptive, it means to adapt something in different situation, in whatever situation we are. At aims, I had explained you of adaptive physical education. Objectives, then we are in organization promotion adaptive sports Olympic Bharat. Various heads, Special Olympic Bharat, oath, mission and vision. I had explained you an oath, let me win, but if I cannot win, let me brave in attempt. This is one sentence line, and a student they make or they confused in vision and oath. There is a difference between mission, vision, and oath. Explained you about goal, benefits, what are the benefits, and it improves physical fitness and motor skills. Motor skills in each and every chapter of physical education is directly related to motor skills. And motor skills, exercise with motion is related to motor skill, and it is helpful in building leadership, promoting health of athletes, building communities also. Paralympic Games. New heading is Paralympic Games. Paralympic Games are major international multi-sports event for the athlete with various disabilities. With various disabilities and such as athletes with mobility disability, amputation, blindness, and cerebral palsy. Cerebral palsy. Paralympic Games are held at an interval of every 4 years. Here, I would like to make sure disabilities such as various mobility, amputation, generally when we met in serious accident and we ruptures our hand and bones, legs. So, for the sake of human, leg or hand is amputated by the doctor, and to save the victim, it is important to amputate a limb. Blindness, and cerebral palsy related to brain disorders, related to our brain disorders, and movements are there. We are unable to recognize that child or a person, male or female, but there is a problems, medical problems. Opening ceremony. Opening ceremony begins with hosting of country flag and rendition of national anthem. In each and every game process is same. International Paralympic Committee. We had to understand the meaning of Paralympic Games. And International Paralympic Committee, its vision is to enable Paralympic athletes to achieve sporting excellence and aspire and excite the world. It was established on 22 September 1989. When it was established on 22 September 1989. So you have to remember the date also, because the dates are very good questions for MCQs, and most of the dates we are having in MCQs. Its headquarters is in Bonn, Germany. Its main aim is to develop sports opportunity for all people with impairment, from the beginner to the elite level. Paralympic Games. Hope you had understand why Paralympic Games and for whom the Paralympic Games are there, and categories of disability. I had told you that about disabilities, and it is very important to understand the categories of disability. What type of categories that are involved in Paralympic Games? The International Paralympic Committee has established 10 disability categories, including physical. 10. The first is physical, second is visual and intellectual. Athlete with one of these disabilities can participate in Paralympic Games. Through not every sport can allow for every disability category. Physical impairment or disability includes impaired muscles power physically, that is amputated. I had given you example, amputation is related to our muscles or power of muscles. Impaired passive range of movements also. If we had seen a person suffering from rickets, we can include this also. Passive range of movement, loss of limbs, legs, differences, short structure, below normal height, a person with below normal height we are talking about. Visual impairment includes impairment of one or more component of visual system, that we are unable to see, or we are lacking visual differences, that we are unable to see too far, too low. That is all depend upon your medical certificate. What type of certificate that you have to have a particular certificate for this also. The International Paralympic Committee mainly serves athletes with physical and visual disabilities, whereas intellectual disability has been adapted to some Paralympic games. Deaflympics. What are Deaflympics? Paralympic games are made you understand and try to made you understand about the categories of disability also. Deaflympics. Earlier Deaflympics used to call World Games for the Deaf. Deaf. The Deaflympics are International Olympic Committee sanctioned event in which deaf athletes compete at an elite level. In this, a person who is unable to listen the voices or deaf person, the Deaflympics are held once in 4 years as all of these games start. The first game held in Paris in France in 1924 were also the first ever international sporting event for athletes with disability. First international. These games are not held twice due to World War II. Not first but second. The motto of the Olympic is equality through sports. Equality through sports is the motto of development. Concept and need of integrated physical education. Integrated physical education. What do you mean by integrated? It words itself clear its meaning. It is now concept of physical education. It is a well-known fact that whole world is changing at very fast pace. Nowadays, we are all are involving in physical activity due to COVID-19. Before that, we are involving, but our participation is very less, or we are very careless. The traditional form of physical education is not capable of meeting the needs of coming society or the coming years. But this consideration does not apply as per the needs of changing society. Integrated physical education is a comprehensive concept. It is not only limited to physical activities, games, sports, but become a complete discipline also. We are talking about a lifestyle also. Eating food, a complete discipline means not only playing games but apart from games also. That is your lifestyle and your eating food habits. In the past 2 decades, the knowledge in this field has increased due to research studies. Various subdisciplines have come into existence. These subdisciplines are sports psychology, behavior, sports biomechanics, sports medicine, sports pedology, sport exercise psychology, sports psychology, philosophy, and sports management. These are the subdisciplines related to each other. Integrated physical education provide opportunities for students to experience new relationship, to transfer what they had learned from one setting to the next, and reinforce learning in various ways. We had learned, I would like to give you one example that we start playing a volleyball, we learn some skills, and couple of months later we are in a school team. In that school team we are playing sometimes we are out of the school also. At that time, we learn many things. That one of the point is sports management. While playing, while learning techniques, we we are following biomechanics rules and regulations also. These biomechanics helps in creating our skills much more better. Need of integrated physical education. It is important for the teachers of physical education. We know many things related to integrated physical education. An example is if we are working in areas of fitness, definitely needs the expertise in exercise psychology to able to evaluate fitness level of participants. You had already observed while playing there is a warm up exercise. Later on, gradually after some days, some specific exercise are given related to a particular game. If you are playing volleyball or football or taking part in badminton, there are specific exercise for each and every individual game. Even many drive knowledge from sports psychology for motivating individual to stick to their exercise program. And sometimes we have to motivate the student also, that it is very important to motivate the students for exercise, because without any exercise we are unable to deliver a proper skill. Sports assist him to clearly explaining exercise and activities participation, educating them with the values to be derived from participation. It is very important what type of values we are taking out, or what type of values I am implementing in you related to sports. This knowledge of integrated physical education would be able to enhance fitness, health, and wellness of an individual.